Hello class, good afternoon. So before we start our lesson, so we need to check our attendance first. We just say who's absent for today, and I will check. Who's absent? Okay, si Dolong City Madra and Dizon Gerald, and also Podos Angelo. So they are three. Okay, that's good. So before start, so before our start also our lesson for today, please pick up the pieces of paper inside on your table. So let's discuss. So before we start, let us recall our last lesson about determine the coordinate of each point, diba? So, you can remember about our discussion last meeting. Yes, Patricia? Yes, very good. That's a great idea. Yes, we discussed about how to determine the following different planes coordinate. Okay? So, today, we're going to start our lesson. Can you please tell me what is distance? Our lesson for today is about distance between 2 points. So what can you say about distance between 2 points? Huh? What you can say? Yes, Trisha? Yes. Yes, very good. So, yes, very good. You're right, Trisha. So distance between 2 points is always non-negative. So distance is always non-negative. It should be always positive when the 2 points are different and 0 if the points are the same. So the points, meaning the 2 points is always non-negative 0. So it should be always positive. So if PQ and Q are the 2 points, then the distance from P to Q is the same as the distance from Q to P. Thus, this PQ is equal to Q and P. For example, diba? I give you a lesson so that you will know how to find the PQ. For example, I give the points of P. Let's say that PQ is P is 3, quantity and 2, then and Q quantity positive 10 and 3. So if we're going to determine the distance between these 2 points, so let's have a coordination A. So let's So that's our coordination plane. Determine the distance between these 2 points P, and Q. So let's points there are coordinate. So how about the P? So positive 3. Where's the positive 3? Yes, here. So the positive 3 is positive 3 and positive 2. The X and the Y. So the X here is positive 3. So positive 3 and positive 2. So the Y, this is the X, this is the Y, this is the X, and this is the Y. So the X coordinate with 3 and positive 2, right? So this is point Q. And the point and point P. So the point Q is positive 10 also. So where's the positive 10? This positive 10 and positive, no. Positive, positive, wait. I'm wrong. Sorry. It should be positive 2 with 3. So the positive 2 and 3 here. This is the point P. How about the Q? Then positive 3. So who can tell me about their distance? Is it horizontal or vertical? Yes, Danica. Yes, very good. It's horizontal line. So to determine their absolute value, so since they are equal line, consider the 2 points that align horizontally or vertically on the coordinate plane. So in this coordinate plane, so as you can see, the distance between P and Q is horizontally. So on the coordinate plane, the horizontal distance between these points is the absolute value of the difference of their x coordinate likewise. For example, the vertical distance between these points is the absolute value of the difference of the right axis. So if you could see that, or if you could determine that the lines, the distance between these 2 points is vertically, so determine the absolute value of their is in the x-axis, diba? In x-axis, it should be always horizontal. You can see the x-axis, the points of x-axis is the horizontal. So if you could see determine also in the vertical line, it should be in the y coordinate. Y coordinate, that's the vertical line. It's y coordinate. So since the distance between 2 points of P and Q is horizontally, so determine the distance between these two is they are equal. If PQ is equal to QP. Since the P and Q are aligned horizontally, then PQ is equal to the absolute value of 10, 3 is equal to 7. Or PQ is equal to 3, negative 10, absolute value of equal to negative 7 or 7. So they are the same length, or they are the same distance between these 2 points. So meaning the points of the coordinate points of P 2 and 3 and Q of 10 and 3 is the same. So they are non-negative zeros of distance between these 2 points. Did you understand, guys? Any questions regardless about this distance between 2 points? It actually not this it is an easy lessons that you should learn about the distance between 2 points. And also we could also learn this distance between 2 points in our daily life. Diba? So you just make an coordinate plane and find about their distance between 2 points. If these 2 points is lined vertically or horizontally. So again, if the horizontally lines, it should be in the x coordinates. If the line is vertically, it should be in the y coordinate. So that's right. So again, guys, to find their absolute value or the distance between these 2 points, if the 2 points is horizontal, so you just need to find the x coordinates to find their absolute value and to determine that this PQ or QP they are the same absolute value or the same coordinate or x coordinate. So since these 2 points is P and Q is aligned horizontally, so you just find their x coordinate. So what is the x coordinate here? The 10 and the 2, right? the 10 and 2, right? So we just find the 10 minus 2 is 7. The absolute value of TMS is is 8. The same also here sa PQ or 2 minus 10 is equal negative 7 absolute value or 8 negative 8 or 8. So they are the same. So if you could find the distance between these 2 points is vertical line, you just find their y coordinates. So the y coordinate here in vertical lines, the x coordinate here. So did you understand our lesson about the distance between these 2 points? Yes, very good. You just find their coordinate in the coordinate plane, and then find there, if you could determine that these 2 points is horizontal, you just find the x coordinates to find the absolute value, and also if these 2 points is vertical line, you just find the y coordinate. So that's all, and I will give you an activity by. So guys, I will give you an activity, an individual activity. You just determine the problem. Okay. So your activity is that read, understand the situation below, then answer the question that follow. So the situation is